All right, so what we're looking at is similar figures, and we're trying to figure out which parts from this triangle are similar to the ones on this triangle. So we are going to look at the way that they wrote it, FGH, and then triangle JKH. And the placement of the letters does matter. So F is the first letter, meaning that it is similar to J, the first letter here. So I would write in here, angle F. Let's see, I'm going to use this for my angle. Angle F is similar, okay, we can use this bar here, to angle, where's my angle mark? Angle J, okay? And then down here you do the same. The angle G is the same as, or similar to angle K, and you write it here. Okay, same kind of concept for the sides, except this time I'm going to use the two letters. So FG, and you're going to actually put a bar on the top of yours, I'm just unable to do it here, is similar to JK. Your next set on there, you could say GH is similar to KH. And then the last set, you can take your first letter and last. So FH, so side FH is similar to my first letter J, H here, JH. So that's how you're going to be writing those. Make sure you put your other angles in here, okay? Down here, the pairs of polygons are similar. Give the scale factor from A to B. So what I'm going to be doing is putting the number from the A, okay, and matching it up. Okay, since 2 is the smaller number here, I'm looking for the smaller number on this side. Oops, sorry about that. So on here, I am going to be writing 2 over 8. And if I can simplify that, I will. Both of those are divisible by 2, so that goes down to 1/4. So your answer there is going to be 1 over 4. That is your scale factor. This one is 4 times bigger. Okay, so on this one, you're doing the same thing, but you're going from A to B. This time we have the bigger numbers first. So I need to, you can either look for the biggest number there or the smallest. Let's go for the biggest one here. The biggest one is 18. The biggest number on here is the 7.2. Oop, I take that back. That's not a friendly number. Okay, let's go to the smallest. So we have 10, and my smallest number here is 4. Okay, if I can reduce that, I will do so. Both of them are divisible by 2, which is 5 over 2. I do not want it to be a whole number. I want to keep it as a fraction. Okay, here the scale factor they tell you is 4 to 5. So I could set this up as a proportion here. I might have to write this out. Let's see. See if I can do that. All right, so I have 4 over 5. So this one is 4 to 5. So I have x going on top over 15. From this, I need to cross multiply and divide. So I am going to take 4 times 15 and divide it by 5 for my answer. Okay, so I'll write that here for you to do. I'm going to take 4 times 5, and then you're going to take that number and divide it by 15. So 20 divided by 15 for that. If we reduce the fraction 20 divided by 15, both of those are divisible by 5. I get 4 over 3, okay? I want you to kind of leave it as this fraction. Oh, nope, it actually wants you to solve for that. So you're going to solve, you should get like 1.5. Or wait, take that back. 4 over 3, 1 and 1/3. Okay, to get 1 and 1/3 on that. All right, this one, scale factor from A to B is 7 to 2, 7 to 2. So I'm going to write 7 first, over 2. Okay, this one I want you to find the perimeter, but we need to find the side first. So let's go ahead and find, we can look at the smaller side. Okay, so then we have x over 12. Again, you're going to cross multiply and divide. So you're taking 7 times 12 and dividing it by 2 for your answer for one side. Okay. Down below for number 6, find the values of x and y. Okay, so you're looking here, we're looking at the similar parts, so we need to find our scale factor. I see that 6 and 21 are on the same side, A, B. I look, and DE are in the same position there. So I can take 6 over 21. Okay, and if I'm trying to find this side here, AC, so first letter, last letter is the same as DC over here, 28. Okay, so I could say X over 28 to find what that X is going to be. Okay, again, I'm going to cross multiply, so I'm going to take 6 times 28 and then divide it by 21 for my answers. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now you do not need to worry about 7 and 8, so go ahead and cross those out.